So a new project that I'm going to want to take is like redoing this powder room. So it's still pretty decent, but it's just like very basic. Besides the floating vanity with the regular countertop, there's like nothing that is upgraded. So got good tiles like 12 by 24, but it's all gonna go, and then you will see the transformation as we progress. And that's it. I want to make sure that I don't break it. It's very good. Done. Okay. So the next part is to remove this vanity. So what I did is, so I removed the drawer first, and there's just like screws. There's screws that is holding this vanity. So just gonna undo that. But prior to that, what I want to do is I want to remove the top so it's lighter in weight. So there were like just some screws here, 4 screws on all 4 corners that are removed, and I will be able to yank the counter like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this. I need to put the camera down. The steps that I missed was you had to like just undo the connections, obviously, first, and then there was a pipe over here that I had to undo before I removed the top. Alright, so it's been a while. So what we did is I removed everything, as you can see. Got into an accident. I mistakenly drilled through the hot water line that I have to repair. So that was just kind of unnecessary. I should have been cautious when I was removing the vanity. But as you can see, yeah, everything is out. I'm just started to remove the tile. That's the toughest job, I think, for me. But as the project progress, we'll know what other challenges that we may run into. So stay tuned. Right, so I started removing the tiles, but the problem that I can see that I would still need to spend some time is there's a mesh, and the grout is just like it's not removing. It's only tiles ripping off. So I just gotta go again to take care of that, but mostly it's removed except that corner. I'm gonna remove these tiles before I get on to those ones in the corner. It's all prepared now. I'm just gonna do a mesh floor and start laying out the tiles. I also need to bring this light fixture down below for LED mirror. Yeah, so that turns out pretty good. And it was quick and fast also. So right now I prepared the floor with mesh. So the plastic goes in first, and then mesh, and then I stapled it so it doesn't shift, it doesn't move. So I'm just gonna start laying down the tiles on the ground first, and then we'll just go on the walls on way up. Also, I made a hole because I want to bring the power from there to here for a regular outlet like this for LED mirror. So here, now it looks better. After I did the mesh, I start putting the tiles on the floor first, then on the walls, obviously going up, and did all the cutting and stuff. I brought the like the outlet down, made that thing. This is how it is. So we'll just like do the grouting next, and we'll see how the project moves forward. Okay, so after grouting, it turns out it's getting better and better. So that is kind of done for the tile work. The next is to put the mirror and toilet and the sink. So I'll show you how it's gonna look later. I still gotta clean the tiles, obviously. So here, after the transformation is complete, this is how it looks like. I want to be out of the video, but I can't. So this is DIY mirror. Nice and modern. The 12 holder, tall bar. Looks nice.